How to buy promo codes in the 1xBet store. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, go to the menu and tap on the Order tab. Here you will see the promo section, which is the 1xBet store for promo codes. Then, tap on your promo codes and go to the shop option. After that, browse through the available promo codes listed in the store. Each promo code requires a certain number of bonus points that you must have in your account to redeem. Next, select a promo code that fits your betting needs and click on it. Finally, confirm your choice and the required points will be deducted from your balance. You will receive the promo code, which you can use to place bets or unlock special offers. And that's it. Now you know how to buy promo codes in the 1xBet store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.